So this is how you can crop a lot of photos at once on the iPad. Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe because I try to make your days easier by helping out people with the tech stuff, right? So in order to do that, in order to crop a lot of photos at once, at first select one picture, which is going to be like the sample picture. You open it up and go to the edit mode. In there, you tap on the crop tool and crop it up exactly how you want, right? So you click on that like this and tap on done, right? So the photo is now cropped. And the point is that once we have the photo viewed on full screen, we can tap on the three dots and copy edits, right? So we tap on that and we copy whatever has been applied to that image, right? If more things have been applied, we can only select the crop like that and click on copy. Now I just get to select some other photos. It might be even more pictures, so I can use the select tool or whatever. And then I'm going to click on the three dots as well, and I will click on paste edits. So whatever the exact way I cropped the sample image, the same thing or the same way will be applied to all of these images. So when I paste the edits, all of the other photos here will be cropped the exact same way, which at the end of the day saves us a lot of time. So it's really a nice feature, and it's kind of like hidden away in the Photos app. So not many people know about it, and that's why I make these videos. So I hope it works for you. In case it doesn't, let me know about that in the comments below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.